Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the voiceover in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option accessibility. Then here you can see the option voiceover. Tap on this one. To enable this one, turn on this option. You can see voiceover speaks item on the screen. Tap once to select an item. Double tap to activate the selected item. Okay, turn on this option.
Voiceover on. Settings. Voiceover. Switch button. On.
You can see.
Double tap to toggle setting.
Okay, so if you tap once, then it means this it will select the item.
Accessibility. Back button.
If you want to activate this one, double tap. You can see.
Settings. Heading.
If you tap on this one,
on. Cellular button. General button. Accessibility button.
this is very useful for the blind peoples. Okay, if you select this one, action button, you can see. If you want to select this one, make a double tap.
Selected. Action button. Settings. Back button.
You can
Action
see.
button. Control center button.
If you want to view what is this one, if you want to or here or if you want to view what is this one, just tap on this one.
Control center.
If you want to activate this one or if you want to select this one, to make a double tap.
Customize control center.
Okay, so simply in this way you can turn on the voiceover in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.